Today we want to talk about the topic what money is and where money is hiding. What money is and where money is hiding, and we are starting right now. You're welcome back. Money has been defined by many in many ways. Textbook definition says that money is a legal tender. Another says that money is a medium of exchange. The definition that it is a legal tender may not hold much sway. Why? Because that implies that the day we all agree that it is not money, then it is not money. This is why we have trade by barter in the olden days. Then we had cowries, shells, and other items. These mediums of exchange were tedious, and new legal tenders had to be introduced. Convenient legal tenders had to be introduced. We later moved to coins, money, and paper notes. The paper notes were of different denominations based on inflation rates in the country and the goods being bought, and also the financial status of the buyer. Now, we also have electronic money in form of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Meota, PayPal, and many more. The foregoing have shown that the textbook definition of money may change from time to time. So, what is money? Money is actually the reward for solving a problem. Money is a reward for solving a problem. The moment you are able to solve a problem, money will be the reward. Where then is money hiding? Money hides in some places. It has some hiding places. Number one place that money is hiding is that money hides in what you are trained for. Money hides in what you are trained for. Not everybody can do what you can do because you have undergone some training and you have some skill. So that training that you have, if you utilize it, if somebody hires you to be able to help use that training, you will get money in return. Another place that money hides is money hides in your close contact. Money hides in your close contact. During the coronavirus lockdown, some people that were not paid salaries, or they don't have much with them to be able to feed and to take care of their family or of themselves. They looked at their phones. Some people come to mind, and they know that those people, they have money. They call them and say, please, this is what I'm going through. Then those people send them some money, maybe 5,000, maybe 10,000, or thereabout, or 20,000, 30,000, or 40,000, or 50,000. Or some people, even without calling them, they contribute to your life, and they just call you and said, it's like during this lockdown you may need something, and they send some money to you. So money hides in your close contacts. Number three place that money hides is money hides online and offline. Money hides on the internet and outside of the internet. There's a lot of businesses that are done outside of internet. There's a lot of money making ventures also on the internet. So money is hiding in both on the internet and outside of the internet. So look out for these opportunities and utilize them. Money hides also in education. You have been educated and you have gone to school. Money is hiding in that education that you have gotten, because education is knowledge. And when you go to school, you are more knowledgeable than people that did not go to school. So money is hiding in education. You have got a skill that you have learned in the school. Money is hiding there. Money hides in education. Another place that money hides is that money hides outside of education. Outside of education. When I say outside of education, what I'm saying is that money hides outside of the formal education. Money hides in informal education. Some people have some street sense. Maybe somebody is a house agent and he's just doing it, helping people to get house. He will link the house owners with the house renters, and he gets a commission from time to time. The more the houses he got, the more the commission he gets. and many others. Somebody is a carpenter, somebody is something, is doing something. Money is hiding in those things. Also, money hides inside of you. Money hides inside of you yourself. You yourself, you are an embodiment of money. You yourself, you are a place that money hides. So if you look inwards and you look at yourself inwards very well critically, you will see that you are somebody that have and should have money at this particular time. Now I will go to number 7, which is very important. Money hides also in problems. Some motorists saw a big stone on the motorway some time ago. They all stopped to ask who put the stone there. Everyone came out of his or her vehicle to comment on who put the stone on the way. This dragged for a long time, arguing who put the stone here. Everybody they parked. There was a long queue. They kept talking about the problem. Later, a poor man that was trekking came around and saw the crowd and went close to inquire about the cause of the problem. He was told that somebody must have put the stone in that place and that it was obstructing traffic. The man simply went close to the stone, picked it up and threw it outside the road. The stone landed gbooaaaaaaaaaaa and broke open, and inside of it was found money. The man was able to solve that problem that others were not willing to solve, and he eventually made money. The moment you also find a problem and solve it, you will make money. Be a solution provider and not a problem addition. If you solve little problem, you will get little money. If you solve a great problem, you will get great money. Another place that problem is hiding, which is number 8, is that problem is hiding in people. The more people you have in a place, the more potential to make money through the selling of goods or services. If there are no people, who do you want to sell or buy from? Money is hiding in people. That is why the Chinese, Japanese, and other producers of goods keep sending their products to Nigeria and other populated places in the world. About 20 million people are in Lagos, Nigeria. If anyone can produce goods or services that will catch just 1% of that population daily, that is 200,000, such a person will be a millionaire in a short while with a profit of even 50 naira per head. Money hides in people. There are over 7 billion people on earth today. Offer them value and they will offer you money in return. Number 9 place that money is hiding is that money hides in different opportunities. Everyone has come across one opportunity or the other at one time or the other. There are people who have had the chance to undo $1 million at a go and have wasted it. That's why lottery winners go back to become poor, because they did not maximize the opportunity that came their ways. Mike Tyson, a former rich boxer who lived in large mansion, was later to sell those mansions because he had become broke. Some have opportunities to meet remarkable people and have made something out of it, while others too have wasted that chance. Open your eyes and prepare well for the opportunities that come your way. Money hides in gifts and talents. That's number 10 place that money hides. Everyone has a gift or talent. No one is untalented. In fact, many are multi-talented. Many are also gifted. They can do some things easily which others find very difficult to do. Convert that your talent and gift to money. A woman who never went to catering school will just fry chin-chin in her compound. She will fry buns. She will fry other snacks. She will bake some kind of bread and cake at her home for free for people to eat. People enjoyed it. Yet her family complains of lack of enough money to pay their bills. Later she wised up and started selling the snacks which she previously made for free. She started supplying different places, and the financial level of her family changed. Look inwards at what you can do legitimately with your talents and gifts, and people will be happy to pay you. Money hides in products and services. There are so many products and services that are begging for people who will help sell them. Offer to sell some of those products and services, and you will make your own profit. Look at areas where some products and services are in high demand and work to get the products there. In Nigeria, some people travel to Niger and Kebbi states to get dried fish, which they bring to Lagos or to other parts of the country where they do not have such kind of fish in the south to sell. Some people also travel to Edo and Ondo states in Nigeria to get palm oil to sell in other places at a profit. Many also travel to Dubai to get needed products to sell in Nigeria at a profit. There are also some products that are in Nigeria that are needed in other countries. So people travel, they get them, they sell them, and they make profit. Even within the same town, you can go to the outskirts of the town where they produce some goods in large quantity and bring it to another section of the town and sell it at a profit. These are some of the ways and some of the places that money is hiding. Now, I've told you what money is and where money is hiding. So it's not left for you to reach out and to go and get the money where it is hiding. My name is Gbenga, and this is the Gbenga Akindele YouTube channel. I want to plead with you to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button below. After you have clicked the subscription button, click the notification button. It is the bell that is beside the subscription button. After you have clicked it, the bell will come out, and then it will ask you, is it all you want to click or what? After you have clicked the notification bell, then click or select all, and then you click the next thing, and then you have subscribed. I am going to talk to you some other time. Remember what money is, and make sure you reach out and get the money where it is hiding. I will talk to you some other time. Bye bye.